Hello, my name is Jonathan Armstrong. This is my final project proposal for Big Data Analytics on image classification, universal adversarial perturbations, exploring theory and effectiveness. Basic idea here is you can take an image that an image classification model can correctly classify, say as a cat, add a perturbation to it that's imperceptible to a human, and completely throw off the model and have it say, oh, that's a taco, not a cat. A lot of these approaches for building adversarial perturbations are targeted to a particular model or are applied on an image-by-image basis. The neat thing is that there's a class of universal adversarial perturbations, or UAPs, that are both image and model agnostic. Give me one of these, apply it to some images, and I can feed it to a model and have a high probability of forcing that model to give me wrong classifications. The goal of this project is to reproduce the results of the authors of the Universal Adversarial Perturbations paper, and to build up a library of UAPs that I can run analysis on and try and generate an algorithm to do that analytically rather than with a surrogate model, which is the approach the authors use. In terms of data sets, I'm not going to bind myself to any specific data set since the UAPs are derivatives. I'm going to start simple and basically keep scaling up and based on time and availability. So methods, reproduce the author's results. I'm going to be building convolutional neural networks, whether it's pre-trained or ones I train myself. Build a library of UAPs and run analysis on those. It's a bit TBD, but a couple ideas I have are to run fractal analysis. What's the fractal dimension of these images? Is it consistent? Does it vary? And run invariance analysis. Can I do transformations on these images and maintain effectiveness of throwing off classification models? In terms of the system, I'm going to prototype on Google Colaboratory. It's quick, easy, and free. And once I've got a proof of concept working, I'm going to translate that over to the Google Cloud environment. Here's my goal. Basically want to understand the author's code, generate my first UAP, make a lot more, analyze those, and try and make my own algorithmic UAP generator, and give myself some buffer time since that's a lot to do, and then hopefully the report is ready. Worst case scenario, I at least want to have a library of UAPs that I can make available for other people to continue this research. Thank you for your time.